Hi, I'm Amber with WTI, and if you like to food prep, you need these. These are food prep containers from FineDine. They are really neat. One of the features I love the most is that it is borosilicate glass. So borosilicate glass allows you to go from hot to cold really quickly without fear of the glass shattering. When I need to reheat my food, I can just pop the lid right off and put it right in the microwave. So the lid has a really nice feature in here. This is a removable gusset. This allows it to be easy to clean. This is what gives it an airtight seal. These can be used in the microwave, the dishwasher, the oven. It is all safe. You just want to make sure you don't use the lid in there because the lid is more of a durable plastic, but you don't want to melt it or warp it. So as you can see, there is no spillage. We can take this anywhere we go and it's not going to spill on me, which is huge, even if there's liquids in this. So you can use it for solids, you can use it for soups, you can use it for pretty much everything. So I love how it's so versatile, and you can actually stack them together because of its design of its lid. It stacks really nicely on top of each other, which sits really good in the fridge. I keep all my leftovers in here and I portion them out for the week. So these are going to make your life so much easier. I just love them, and that is my point of view.